Hi, in this video we are going to see the changes in the configuration file of camera module in order to run multiple camera modules as we saw in the previous video. So let's start. If we want to see technically how we can do that, here I connect to the two boards. This is the Raspberry Pi 4 and this is the Raspberry 02 with the camera. For Raspberry Pi 4, I can go to Drone Engage here. Here are the three modules. Let's go to the camera module here. Let's open the config. Here are the two cameras, camera Raspberry Pi 4 and HDMI. I just point to the devices here. These devices exist here. There should be. Here are the devices. The grabber creates two devices, so I select the active one, and this is the video module. This is the Raspberry Pi camera module. Oh, sorry. The grabber creates two videos, video 1 and video 0 and video 1. So I select video 0, and the Raspberry Pi is created at video 2. So if we let the videos here, these are the video devices, and I'm interested in video 0 and video 2. So I selected them. There is another way that I can tell the camera module to list all videos. For example, I can go here and select like that and comment this. This is XML, but this is special XML file that I can comment. So I can now restart the camera module. Stop or restart the camera. Let me stop it first because I want to show you something. Stop GE camera. Okay, here are the devices that can be used for streaming. Actually, they are detected via WebRTC, but you cannot stream them. But when you press here, they will appear. Okay, but they are useless. So to make the display neat and clear, I comment them like that, and I create a camera list where I only select the cameras that I want, and it is that simple. Okay, as we can see, now we have the two cameras that we were interested in. What about the third camera? The third camera you need to enter in the using SSH as a Raspberry Pi 0 and go to Drone Engage GE camera. The same here, we have config file. Here I use again the camera list, and I select the device that I want to stream it. Another important thing is this. Here I point to the IP of this machine, of the Raspberry Pi 4. This is the Raspberry Pi 4. Okay. What is this? What is this address? This address is the address of the communicator module. When I go to communicator module here, the communicator module is listening to all ports, all IPs at port 60,000. This is the IP of the Raspberry Pi 4, and this is port 60,000. This is the port that the camera module is running. I can change it. It doesn't matter. I selected this value and I can change it. It doesn't matter. The only important thing is that it should not conflict with another port. Another important thing is that module ID and module key. The module ID and module key should be different from the other camera module that is running on the Raspberry Pi 4. This is the Raspberry Pi 0, this is the Raspberry Pi 4. Okay, so the Raspberry Pi 4 here has another module ID and another module key. They are not the same values. This is very important. This is the thing that enables the communicator module to enable it to distinguish between the two camera modules. And the communicator modules put all the camera lists together and generate one valid camera list. It's one friendly camera list for the end user. Here I'm talking about the conflict in UDP because I'm running it in the background. So I need to close it. And I'm running it again. Okay. And here I need to run it again. So now I have, let me refresh this page.
Connected. Drone_Cairo unit added.
It displays
Drone_Cairo connected to flying board.
It displays
Drone_Cairo flight mode is manual.
It displays these colors because I closed the Raspberry Pi 0 that I used for sending HDMI traffic. This is the camera on the Raspberry Pi 4. And this is the camera on the Raspberry Pi 02. So as we can see, it is not that difficult. Yes, it requires some editing in few files, but it works straightforward. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.